So this apartment is just £225, 280 US dollars. Let's see how it is. So you enter here. There is a kitchen area immediately, and just a normal fridge and freezer. I love these, so that's good. Plug right here. Just a few things they give you, not too many. And I'm kind of out of breath right now, as I just did a workout, kind of, in this space right here. So we have a table, 2 chairs. This one is kind of broken actually. I told them about this before, like it just, maybe you can hear it, but that's something I don't want them to say is my fault, so I told them about it. Just charging my portable charger. Here we have the TV, some lamps. Yeah, and you see me. We have my bag, just a mirror, nothing really special here. This is meant to be a clothes rack, but I mean, and the washing machine out here, but I'm not really washing. I'm not doing it myself. I go to the laundry service, which is outside. There is one just outside and to the right of this building, so yeah, that's pretty perfect. And you can see the day is looking really nice. The sunset, view over the mountains. It's really nice. And we got the other view here. And coming this way, just the bed, which I don't think they really. Let's give it a smell, right? Let's give it a smell. Not smelling too fresh, but I just moved yesterday. Here, just a wardrobe. I put my suitcase in here, a few clothes, another space. You got a top and bottom, 2 sockets here, some pictures, my desk area. So let's have a look over here. Just got a few things plugged in. You got a window too, looking at the north of Penang, north of the city right there. Yeah, pretty beautiful, nice day. That's really cool. Yeah, the desk area, I like it. You got loads of drawers here, a lot of space to put anything you need. A fan. This one, look at that. Don't really know what's going on there, but that's not too safe. And the air conditioning seems to be working pretty well. I've got it, or maybe not, I have it, it keeps pausing, I don't know exactly why. I've got it on 21 degrees, but like right now, nothing really is even coming out. I mean, I can't get over this view, you know, let's focus on the sun a little, yeah. That's it, but anyway, moving on to the bathroom, let's have a look here. You actually get a bathtub, which is pretty unusual in these places. You got a standard toilet here, toilet roll, which is not included, of course. That's mine. Then you get a window too, of the north side again. Of course, your little window here to see your place. So there are quite a few different ways to use this. You can put it the water from the top, from here, and from here too, if you want to run the bath. So that's pretty cool. But it does like shake a little. Like when you get inside, it seems not really completely stable. And here's just the sink area. I've got a few things, and the place to put some other things at the bottom, and a mirror, of course. And that's pretty much the standard bathroom. So yeah, that's really the whole place. Nothing too extravagant, just again, I chose it because of the space here. The Wi-Fi situation is not the best, I feel. It's really hit and miss because right now it's like 150 megabytes per second download and 80 upload, but sometimes it can be like 10 download and even less than 1 megabyte per second upload, which is just weird. I don't understand how it fluctuates so much, and it's a shared network. But even when nobody's using it, it can still be like 10 upload. But right now it's about 80, so I'm super confused about that. Oh, yeah, that's pretty much the place. Do you have any questions? Want to know something about it, or extra information that I haven't put in the description, then, or wherever else, let me know, and I'll see you in the next one.